Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to archive Outlook emails to save space. To start, open Outlook. Here, click on File and you will click on Tools. Select Clean up old items. Here you can choose the folders to archive. In the Archive Items Older Than field, you can choose the desired date. In the Archive File option, you find the path where it will be archived. To finish, click OK, and the process of archiving the emails in Outlook will begin. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.